Revitalize your skin with just a few drops. Experience the potency of essential oils to revitalize and restore balance to sensitized skin conditions. Lavender oil soothes the skin and reduces inflammation. Eucalyptus and cypress leaf are antiseptic, soothing skin redness and irritations. Jojoba seed oil moisturizes and conditions the skin without clogging pores. Geranium flower oil improves blood circulation and balances hormones. Elevate your skincare ritual with Aroma Essence Sensitive Skin Blend. Just a few drops can calm, soothe, and restore skin radiance. Transform your skin, drop by drop. Aroma Essence Sensitive Skin Blend.